One take.
One take.
What's going on here, Luke?
Right, here we go. This is the start of the journey. So we've currently got a very bent 116 sat behind me here. And we've just got it in we've had it in storage for a few weeks because I've been travelling. So we've just gone into the workshop and the job is we're going to get it on the axle stand and we're going to assess the damage. Insert the crash now. Well, there she lands on the axle stands. Certainly was showtime. Never raced or rallied. At least a lot of the rear end can be salvageable. Good camera in it.
We're on the money shot here.
Right, so the good news is the engine's got oil in it. The golden oil. So that's a good start, isn't it? Just took the oil cooler off, power steering lines, piece by piece. Now let's take ourselves back to race day. So race day, Sunday morning. So we had the sprints on the Saturday, top 10 finishes, really good. Let there be light.
Oh, watch the dog.
Right, well, Sunday morning, race day.
Sunday morning, yeah?
Yeah, at Silverstone.
Talk us through it.
Yeah, we had all the family, fans turn up, didn't we, Dad?
Everyone was there.
Everyone was there. So, Sunday morning, we go out for qualifying. No, Dad, just shut up, mate.
Shut up, Dad.
I've not got a microphone yet, Dad, so whatever noise you make will be amplified on the phone.
Go on, Luke, talk us through it. Sunday, what happened?
Sunday morning, race day at Silverstone. Felt like just yesterday. So we go into qualifying and we go out. We had old Benny Boy there on the spanners. Remember Dad in the pit crew?
Oh, yeah.
I went out behind Keeney, got a real fast lap, a banker lap, first lap in tow with Keeney. And we were on the top 10 and then we had a lock-up pushing it too hard. So the ABS light come on halfway through the qualifying and the next thing everyone's getting back up the grid. So I dropped down to the kind of 30s, it's a 50 car grid, remember, this is a big grid.
Big grid, yeah.
Big grid. And then we pulled in, sorted the ABS light out, we plugged it in, cleared it, and then we went back out. We have 5 minutes left on the clock, about a minute and a half, nearly 2 minute lap.
Yeah.
And the last lap of the 25-minute qualifying, boom, nailed it. 10 out of 50 cars.
I remember watching it,
Yeah, 10 out of 50 cars. So then it's the nervous anticipation, isn't it? That was 10 o'clock, the race wasn't till 4 o'clock. Yeah, long time to wait. Steve had the barbecue going, we had the full dinner, didn't we, Dad?
And what about the week before? That was, or the meeting before. What happened the meeting before when you were racing? Yeah,
Cadwell
Cadwell.
Park, yeah. So we had a podium finish.
Yeah. So you went in with your tail high, didn't you?
Yeah, we had high hopes. Hence why all the fans were there. We had the full crew.
Yeah, all the
full
fans.
bus load.
Yeah.
And they're all waiting. 4 o'clock comes.
With the foam fingers.
Yeah, the girlfriend's on the rooftop terrace bar at Silverstone. We all know where that is, don't we? Looking over the pit lane. We're going out. Everyone's roaring to go. Last race of the day. This was my last race of the season as well because I was going away.
Yeah.
So we're all really excited to get going. 90-minute race. And rolling start. Boom. Lights out.
We've got a video of that actually, haven't we? From the pit wall as well.
Pit wall, yeah, everyone going.
Yeah.
Insert now.
Clink.
And then the lights go out.
I'm back in the room.
Back in the room. And now Silverstone, the problem here, this is what went on with this accident. Silverstone's about 6 car whips wide. So at Cadwell, the meeting before, it's 2 car whips. So everyone behaves for the first lap. We all stay in formation. Silverstone, everyone darts off, everyone tries to win it in the first corner. Big do scuff, 6 cars spinning. And I saw the smoke to my right, and I thought, I'm glad I'm not there.
Lightning McQueen.
Next thing, you pirouetting, bang, 70 mile an hour shunt.
And the problem was, correct me if I'm wrong, but it was the rear corner which smashed into the centre of you. So almost like a lamppost effect rather than a full-on shunt. Yeah. So it sort of shunted you.
Yeah.
Wow, what happened? Tell us the damage.
Josh is right. It was like hitting a lamppost. It was the damage, like a tree or a lamppost, straight central. And I was glad I was in a strong BMW well-built car, because if it's something a bit cheaper, I reckon I'd been in trouble. So of course, out of the 6 cars, who comes off the worst? Me. This is why we're here now. Are we rolling? Right, so the engine's coming out. We haven't had to take the mounts off because they're snapped. Have a quick zoom into there, took it. Look at that. It's clean off. Okay. Take 5. And look how easy that comes out. I'm staying up there. Move it over a little bit.
Spoke too soon.
We've got a bit in, get the next. Might be a few more cables there that need taking off. The heart of Betty. The question is she salvageable? What do you reckon, Dad? We'll go again. We'll go again. If not, we'll take one run out of 2. Right, things are escalating quickly here. We've got the engine and box out on the stand. The old shell up. The full crew on the job. Piece by piece. Me lucky sticker here. I've seen better cars in the scrapyard than this now.
Oh, watch the bike.
You can't swear on YouTube, Dad. Your mother's always telling me off for swearing. You can't. You just swear, don't you? He swears on every
Bull bag. Here we are, master at work now. He's done it once, can do it twice.
Oh, what the winds?
With the winds.
When we fitted it, we were thinking, there's no way this. This is twice the size of it, wasn't it? It does, yeah. No, whoa, don't want to ram straight in. Look at that. That's tight, that isn't it? Really? Roll cage into 1 series. Last piece. Once you take this last bit of roll cage out, this car really is worth scrap, isn't it? It'll collapse. What happened about the side? It felt like yesterday when we were putting this in, didn't it? Yeah. One for back door. Right, so a trip down memory lane with Betty. The history. So this front right corner here, last season at Brands Hatch, took a big hit on the front end. I'll insert a picture now so you can see that. And we repaired that, to be fair. We pulled it out the best we could. It was never 100%, but it was good enough. So we've already got the history of the hit there on the front. And then after this big hit, it's all drifted, this side especially. We've got the crumpling going on here. I'll just highlight some key areas on the structural damage of the chassis. Here, inside the chassis here, we've got the subframe cracked. Obviously that's took a lot of the impact, which you'd sort of understand. Drifted across. We've got the king Betty's looking a bit kinky here. And obviously all that damage from last year. And yeah, it's just easier for us to start from scratch on a nice shell. We can pick it up cheap enough, and at least we'll know it's 100% square. Abra cadabra. It has actually kinked the roof as well. It's quite hard to see. Probably won't pick up on camera. But it's got a right old kink going on there. Just shows how hard the impact was. Right, time for the outro. That's it. We've had a couple of productive hours there, haven't we?
Yeah, great. And this is what the series is about. The cars are brilliant, strong. Even though it's had a right big hit here. The A-pillars, look at these doors. We've taken the roll cage out. Oh, it's unbelievable. And the beauty of it, we were going to repair it like we said earlier, but we could probably pick up a shell for...
Economic way of repairing it is to reshell it for us. Yeah. And we want to do a new, fresh reshell because there's a lot of things we're changing there, like painting the interior.
Because we built this car 2 years ago, and we sort of didn't really know what we were doing, but we've picked up on a lot of ideas of different people, so hopefully for next season, be fresh.
See you on the next one. Whee!